Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha states that Hazrat Asma radiyallahu anha asked Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam about taking a bath after menses. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, first she should purify herself with the water mixed with the leaves of lot tree, then perform ablution well, then pour water thrice over her head and scrub it until the water reaches the roots of the hair. Thereafter she should pour water on her body, and then applying musk to a piece of cloth purify herself therewith. Hazrat Asma radiyallahu anha again submitted, how should I get purification? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, Subhanallah, purify yourself therewith. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha thereupon secretly told Hazrat Asma radiyallahu anha that she should remove the effect of blood with a piece of cloth scented with musk. Hazrat Asma radiyallahu anha again asked the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam about the bath after sexual defilement. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, first take water and perform the ablution, then pour water thrice on your head, so that the water must reach the roots of the hair. Then pour water on the whole body. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha said, how excellent were the female helpers. They did not feel shy in clearing the religious matters. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 748.